I don't care how talented you are or how hard you work on yourself. There will be times in life when things go wrong. Life happens. The unexpected shows up. Problems come without warning. You can break in many ways, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, physically. Your heart can break. Your business can fail. Your bank account can hit zero. Every kind of breaking leaves a mark, but that mark can mean defeat or victory. What matters is not what you go through, but how you respond. And even more importantly, who you listen to. Right now, you may be standing between two voices, wisdom or worry, gratitude or complaining faith or fear. Every struggle gives you two choices: give up and fall apart, or grow stronger, wiser, tougher, and more resilient. Inside every hard moment is an opportunity to become better. What you must do is find a reason to keep going. If you find that reason, you already have the strength to continue. You're human, and every human has the power to push through hardship. Tragedy comes to everyone. The fight is not over. In fact, it's just beginning. This is your chance to show what you're really made of. Look at whatever sickness, struggle, or problem you're facing and say, I can beat this, I will beat this, I must beat this. Your life is not over yet. Some things in life don't require money, education, or support. They only require determination. No situation, no obstacle, no hardship gets to define you. Only you decide who you become. Don't retreat, don't run. Stand your ground, fight through the pain, fight through the failure, fight through illness, divorce, school struggles, broken dreams. Because on the other side of the fight is victory. And when you rise from that dark place, you will see that by choosing to stand, by choosing to fight, you did not break. You became stronger, you remain unbroken.